Up guys, Mike here. I got a lot of requests from you guys asking me to do a video on Switchback Energy, ticker symbol SBE, that is merging with Chargepoint. So today I'm going to make that video right here, and I'm going to go over the fundamentals of the company, what I think about it, where this company could be going, the financials, the charts, and the analysis. And I'm going to tell you my honest opinion of this company, whether it's worth the price that you're paying for right now, whether you should be investing right now, or whether you should be holding for long term. And I'm going to go over all of that in as detail as I can, because it is important for you guys to know before you dive into this stock. And I'll also go over the exact merger date that this company will be merging from Switchback to Chargepoint. I'll go over that as well in this video, so you know exactly when the merger date is and you know how to plan for it, because usually when SPACs start spiking up, they usually go up. Once the merger happens, they tend to go down pretty hard, and I want you to guys be definitely prepared for that and take profits as you can, as you see fit. So anyways, with that said, make sure to always smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's begin. Yeah. All right guys, let's go over Switchback Chargepoint right now that is going to be merging with, and let's see where this company is headed. Just today, this stock is up over 25%. All right, this is massive. This is absolutely massive. In the last month, if you held this from the bottom, this stock is now up over 108% in a single month. That means you pretty much doubled your initial investment if you got this a month ago. So what caused Chargepoint to be up 25% in a single day? I know a lot of you guys don't like Citron, but they do make massive moves on the stock market, on specific stocks when they announce something. And what they did was they bashed on Blink, BLNK ticker symbol, and they said Chargepoint is actually good. So they pretty much pumped Chargepoint, and what they did, they said it's the leader in market share in charging. And they also said, but this is they control about 73% of the market share, but they're not considering Tesla in this, because if you put in Tesla, obviously Tesla is a lot more higher. And with Switchback Chargepoint, they're also investing a lot more in R&D at the same time. So I found another unique chart, and what happens is it's telling you guys Chargepoint is up about 73% in market share in network level 2 charging, which pretty much, let's say there's level 1, right? Level 2 is a lot better. And then you can compare that to the superchargers that Tesla has, but just think of that as a little bit slower than the superchargers Tesla has. So you're pretty much in the middle with the level 2 charging, and they're showing they're 73% ahead of their competitors. They are a lot better than the market share, the majority right now. They control most of the charging ports out there. So what is causing this stock to continuously go up? Ever since they had the analyst meeting on November 17, 2020, this stock has been on a massive pump and going up and up non-stop. And I'm going to show you guys the chart on stockcharts.com right now. As you guys can see from stockcharts.com, on November 17 is when they had their shareholder meeting. This stock has just been flying up and up and up. MACD says it's going to keep going up. TSI says it's going to go up. But RSI says this thing is extremely overvalued right now. This is massively overvalued. And what happened last time when it was this massively overvalued? Obviously, it went down. But right now, we're getting much closer to the merger date, and I'm about to show you guys that very soon coming up. But this stock had a massive run up. Pretty much big people, big hedge funds, banks, they're all just buying into this stock right now and just buying it up, and it's causing the stock to continuously spike up. And also we have the merger date coming up, which is definitely another way the stock is going to be continuously going up, because a lot of people know the date that's coming up. All right guys, so the merger date has been officially announced, and that is on December 15th, 2020, where Switchback, will be changing. Switchback Energy Point will be changing its name to officially Chargepoint, right? The ticker symbol will also change from SBE, right? It's all going to change, so be sure so you know this and you're updated with that. What's good news about this stock is that actually the Fortune Top 50 do use Chargepoint, so Chargepoint has been in business for over 13 years now, so it's not a brand new company. It's a company that's been out there, and all these big tech companies, all these other companies, the top 50 Fortune, have been using Chargepoint. So it's not something you guys need to be really worried too much about, because this company definitely has a huge future at the same time. Switchback Chargepoint does control and is a leader in North America and Europe as well, so it has plenty of opportunity to continuously grow in the future with more EV sales at the same time, and they can continuously expand at the same time too. Now, I told you guys that Chargepoint is a huge major controller of level 2 and DCFS connections, and Tesla is another one of their competitors that's huge. So they are controlling a huge proportion of the Chargepoint, of the EVs charging networks. So they are doing pretty well. They are a major holder, and they control a huge dominant business over all the other charging industries. However, as I said, Tesla is the major provider of DCFS charging station, which is pretty much the super faster chargers compared to Chargepoint, and EVgo is second. So Chargepoint still has a lot way to go to compete with Tesla's superchargers. So they're not ahead of the market yet. Tesla does lead that role still. SBE's merger market cap, pre-merger market cap right now is trading at 1.95 billion, but that is not the total that it's going to be worth once it is merged. So now here is an important chart that you guys need to be aware of. So what is this telling you? This is telling you guys that once Chargepoint is officially merged with the SPAC, you will not be owning more than 10% of the Chargepoint. Only SB investors will only be holding 10.3% of this company's value. So there's a lot of people that like pipe investors and founders will own, and Chargepoint, major shareholder, will own about 80% of the company, of the stock itself. So you guys are only about 10.3%. So don't get too excited of owning this company, because you are not going to be a huge shareholder right now. However, after the merger, the market cap will be increased to 19.5 billion. All right, so you guys are kind of getting like a pretty good deal. Right now it's only going for about 2 billion, but once the merger is completed, it will be about a 19.5 market cap. So here is the projected of the financials, of the revenue and the projections on the next 5 years from 2020 to 2026 of how Chargeback will be looking in the next 5 to 6 years of the revenue. And like I said, this is going at a massive rate right now. The price right now is pretty high, and this is like you're trading it about a 9.5 times per share of its earnings, which is really insanely expensive. It's like as if you're getting Tesla right now, which is going for about 5 times per 1 year. You're doing 100 times over the next 5 years, which is insane. You're like paying 100 times what it's worth right now for what it's going to be worth in about 5 years, which makes it extremely speculative at the same time. But this company looks like has a huge, bright future ahead of it at the same time. All right, guys, so to be honest with you, do I think this stock is worth buying at the price is at? And to be honest with you, to me, absolutely not. This is just way too overvalued. You're pretty much paying what Tesla is projected in 1 year, and right now Switchback is you're paying like 5 times of what it's going to be projected in 2026. This is like a 5-year projection where Tesla is projected to do 1 year. This is doing it in 5 years. So you're paying 5 times the amount of what Tesla would make in 1 year for this company that would take it 5 years to make. So this is not a very valuable stock for me to dive in right now. If you believe in this company long term, sure, go ahead to keep it for long, go along with it. Do I think I'm going to buy any shares right now? Absolutely not. I'm going to be very upfront with you. Absolutely not. I do not think I'll buy any shares at this price, or it's at nowhere near 35. If I was going to buy, I would think about getting this under $20. That's where I see is a fair value for me to come in. I think this stock might start going down eventually, but right now it's pretty much on an uptrend, and God knows how high this can go. This can go pretty much very, very high. I don't know. I don't have a limit to give you guys. This stock can continuously keep going up, right? So I don't know where it's going to go, and I can't tell you exactly where it's going to go down to, but if I wanted to personally own this stock for long term, I would not buy this unless it's in the 20s or under 20s. That is where I see this, the price fit for this stock. Anyway, so with that said, I just wanted to get that all out so you guys are prepared. You do take profits when it's time you see fit, and you are happy with your gains. Make sure to take profits. Start slowly, maybe selling out some of your shares if you want to take some profits like that. Also, make sure you always take your initial investment out at the same time and let the rest of the stock run. You know, there's nothing ever wrong with taking out profits and letting the rest of your investment run, because everything after that is 100% profit. You already took out your initial, let's say you put 10,000 and now it's 20,000 because Chargeback has doubled over the past month. Take out that 10,000, let the remaining 10,000 run and see where you can go with this, you know? And just go ahead and invest that 10,000 that you took out from your initial investment and go invest it in somewhere else. That's all going to be up to you. I think you should always make sure you keep profits instead of losing profits. That's very beneficial. Anyways, with that said, thank you so much for watching my video. As always, make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and make sure so YouTube could remind you when my next video comes out. Also, feel free to add me on Instagram. I do pretty much post there daily. I post my trades and I post any new stocks that I might get in and I recommend to other people to get in. So check me out on Instagram as well. Also, leave a comment below. Let me know what other stocks you guys would like me to cover. Someone recommended Switchback, so I did it for you guys. Make sure to let me know what other stocks you guys would like me to do future videos on as well. Thanks again for watching my video. Also, if you want 4 free stocks right now, WeBull is giving right now 4 free stocks. Check the link in the description below. 1 for just signing up to use their app, and 3 more free stocks when you make a deposit of $100 or more. They'll give you 4 free stocks with a minimum value of $8 all the way to up to $1,600. Also, if you want another free stock, FirstTrade gives free stock. Check the link in the description below for that one. Also, Robinhood has a free stock just for signing up for use the platform as well. Anyways, with that said, check all those links out if you want free stocks in the link in the description below. Thanks again for watching my video, and until next time, make money with Mike.